happy holidays on first edition of Craftmas. My name is Lisa. I work at the Montauk Library. And today we will be making ornaments and gnome ornaments. So I have some mop head. I got stuff for his nose. Also, this is mohair. I ordered it from Amazon. I don't know. But I like the way it looks. But the mop head is fine. Whatever you have at home. I need a base to set, to glue on everything. So this is the main base. Whatever you have for a circle that you can use. Okay, I also have scissors, cutter, box cutter. I couldn't think of the name. Okay, and some felt, or if you have, whatever you have material you want to make out of it, and a glue gun. Be careful, gets hot. Okay, so now we shall get started. So first, if you're going to use the mop head, I don't know if you can see me. Okay, so this is what I do. I kind of like cut it up, and then I go over again, and then I cut it. And then to make more pieces, I start separating like this. So as you do that, okay. And then I fold this over, you see me, and then I start gluing. I glue on to my base. So, and there's the first one, and then you just keep going. We'll keep going. Try not to burn yourself. Here we are. We got a little beard going. We're going to take whatever, material you have. I found out after doing it a few times, that I like to place it like this, fold it under, and then go back like that. And then I get a little gnome looking hot there. So, again, hot glue gun. And then I'm just going to glue it again. So, here we go. And then it's hot. You can do anything you want now. Decorate it. Watch out for this glue. Decorate it with beads if you have any, or sequins, or whatever. So now I'm going to use the nose. I have little beads, but I think I'm going to go in this wooden circle, half circle. I'm going to put that right there. Hot glue it as well. Right? As you can see, I'm putting it right here. Like a little bit on the hat and then a little bit down. So, and that's our gnome. And like I said, you can even paint his nose if you want. Or, you can, and like I said, you can decorate it with beads, whatever. And then we're going to hang it. And then to hang it up on the tree, I have some twine. I'm going to just make a little hole. Okay, so make it here. I'm just going to poke a little hole right here. I got you can use some twine, fishing line, whatever you have, a hook. You have one of those hanging hooks. Let me make my hole a little bigger here. Alright, so now we got the little gnome guy to hang up on the tree. Yeah. I have the little string here. You can tie it up like this. And you can use any kind of, you can make a bigger hole, put a ribbon through it. And there you go. And then a little gnome ornament.